Howdy. In this video, I'll talk you through the procedures I did in changing a radiator on a Triton, which is a Mitsubishi L200. To remove the radiator, you need to disconnect this hose. No, the first step, you need to take out the guard. To take out this guard, it has 4 10 bolts and this clip here. It fits in there, and you take out that bottom piece. You have to take out that first, and then you work this out from the fan. Once you get this out, then you would take out the radiator coolant line. It has another one at the bottom. This has a bolt here. You take it out and you peel that, or you send it up. Then you're taking out the guard plate, the front guard plate, which is a few tens. On the bottom, you take out the hose and another radiator line. Then there's 2 bolts here, which is 12. One here. And the other one here. The radiator has 2 airs, which I doesn't have the old radiator with me, which fits on this side and that side. You have to work your way through. This side here would be easy to come out than here. You would have to get these hoses out while you try to fish the radiator out of the vehicle. In putting the radiator back, you just have to reverse the process. You place it down, the radiator will fit. Let me see if I could shine. If you notice there, that would fit in some tabs there, and also on this side. Once you get it down, then you put that bolt back, and also this one here. You put it in and you bolt the radiator down. Then you would go beneath the vehicle. Let me see if I could get. You'll go beneath the vehicle. Yeah, and you'll get this one, fit this back in. That would go on the guard, which this would have to come out. To do that, that guard down here has to come out, and you put the air cooler, the transmission coolant, you connect it back. This is all there is to remove